So now that we've added some detail to our callout, next stage is to use our text to label it up. So to add text to our detail, we'll go to our text panel, which is just beside the detail panel. And there, if we select text, we'll open up our contextual tab. The different panels we have here, first off, is just how we'll place it. So we'll have no leader attached to it at all. Here we can place a straight single leader. We can have a curved leader and so on. And there's our justification of the actual leader, justification of the text. And here we can check our spelling and find and replace a piece of text. In the properties palette there, in the type selector, there's our different text styles. So the text style I want you to use today is the 2.5mm Arial text style. So to start with the text, we'll just click on the screen. And what that does, it will open up the text editor. So in there we have to cut, copy, paste, change it to bold, italic, underline. We can do subscript, superscript, change the casing from upper to lower. So we can add in bullet points and so on. And then finally at the end is where we'll close. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to add in some text. So if we say 1.3mm brick. And now that we've added in the text, if I then reselect the text, what I can do now is I can add leaders to it. So once the text is selected in the leader panel there, I can just click on the plus symbol and you can see I can add in multiple different leaders. Again, hitting the negative symbol beside that just removes the last leader. Once the leader is placed, if you move the arrow into position, and then the middle one would add the landing. We have a rotate option there, so we can rotate the text around. And we can move the text. As well, we can change where the leader hits the text. So if we have multiple bits of text, here we can change where the leader hits the text. So what I'm going to do now is going to add multiple text and leaders to start to detail this drawing. Instead of using the text tool again, I'm simply going to copy out the previous one and copy it down. Then double tap on the new text and start to label. So I got 50mm cavity. And then we have it labeled like this.